Alright, this may be the most ghetto presentation you'll see today.
It's a hack, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah. So this is our app. So we're using the Bloomberg API, which has a bunch of
Random stuff. Really, really random stuff. If any of you guys did look at it, which I hope you did, because you can find some really insane stuff in there. It's quite nice. Just to sit around and look at it.
It's insane. So we made a game which we've got a bunch of random things that we know are in the Bloomberg database.
Yeah, so GDPs of different countries, populations, birth rates, infant mortality rates, cases of SARS in different countries, things like that. You know, just the average standard stuff.
So we wanted to test how much people know about stats, which in our case is absolutely nothing, so I'm really bad at this game. So we've got two modes. The first mode is the main one, the second one I made in about 5 minutes at the end. So first, we're gonna do a proper one first. So here it gives you Iran, and it says, you probably can't read it, but it's asking for a population estimate of Iran. And so you enter some
72.
I don't know if this is in millions or not, so I'm just going to enter 7 million.
I would put 7.
I would put it in 7 actually.
Yeah.
And then you hit guess, and the correct value was 80.841 people in Iran. So we get 2 points for that because it wasn't a very good answer. The maximum points you can get on any one guess is 100 if you get it perfectly right, and then it scales off as you get further and further away from the right one. Since we don't have maps for every single country, so in this case it's asking for the cumulative number of reported cases of SARS in Macau. We don't have a map for Macau, so it's that guy whose name I can't remember with several fedoras photoshopped onto his head. And you carry on, and it gets to a high scores screen. There's also a second game mode, which is play mode 2, which is, I apologise, it's really terrible. So here it's doing it the other way around. It gives you a value, 74.4, and 4 options of what that value means. So the life expectancy at birth for Liberia, Armenia, Curacao, and then the birth rate estimate for Poland. So you can pick one, you can select it by clicking on it, and then hit guess. And somehow I guessed it rightly and got 100 points. And that's the game, and it takes you high scores.